Christy and Lila, and today we are going to show you what are we making today, Lila?
Noodles.
We're going to be making some homemade noodles in the Thermomix. Homemade noodles are really easy to make and they taste so much better than store-bought. Okay, so first Lila is going to add in some flour.
Flour.
And more.
Flour noodles?
And now we're going to add in our fresh spinach. Great job. Go ahead and put it in there. And another handful.
Why do we need spinach?
The spinach is going to make it a really nice green flavor, and it adds a little bit of vitamins too.
We're going to make so much noodles. Look.
So now we have to blend the spinach and the flour together. So the first thing we're going to do is mix it all up. And it's totally fine if you make a big floury mess because we're going to need a big area later with lots of flour to roll out our dough. In there.
Ooh, green flour.
Look at this nice color.
Powder.
So we just made some spinach flour essentially, and we just have to add in some eggs and oil. Then we're going to add a pinch of sea salt for some flavor. Do you want to add the olive oil?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Perfect. So now we just have to mix up the dough. Okay, so our dough is finished kneading and it looks a little bit crumbly, which is normal. And we're going to form it into a ball and let it rest for 15 minutes before rolling it out. What's really neat is on the TM6, it has a little video to show us exactly what we're going to do next. Let me show you. Alright, so now it's kind of the hard part. If you don't have a pasta machine, you're gonna have to roll it out super thin yourself with a rolling pin. So the first thing you want to do is flour your counter. Don't be shy. And I'm going to do this part for Lila because it's very hard to do. You need a lot of elbow grease. And then she gets to do the fun part and make the shapes. Okay, so we have our rolled out pasta dough. It magically happened. And Lila is gonna make some shapes for us. So one thing that you can do is just cut really long strips. I'm just gonna show you. And make linguine or fettuccine or even roll it into spaghetti. And if you wanted to, you can just hang them to dry like this. Today, me and Lila are going to make some fusilli, which is a fun spiral shape. So to make the fusilli, you can take your strip of dough and actually use a silicone straw or a wooden spoon or anything that kind of has a round shape, and you just want to twist it around. And then after you kind of press on there, you can remove the straw and it looks like this. So this is a really fun shape. So once it dries and gets hardened, you'll have your fusilli pasta. You want to make some, Lila? Are beautiful. You can make whatever shapes you. That's the fun thing about pasta, is that you can make whatever shapes that you want to.